Assalamu alaikum students, I hope everybody is doing well. So today we are going to revise story number 5, A Foolish Stag. Let's see what more lesson that they have given to us in this story. One hot summer day, a stag went to a pool to drink water. Stag means Barasinga. The pool water was clear. तालाब का पानी साफ था. It could see its reflection in the water. ये अपना अक्स भी पानी में देख सकता था. It felt proud of its beautiful horns. उसने अपने खूबसूरत सींगों को देख के फख्र महसूस किया. But when it saw the shadow of its thin legs, it felt sad and hated them. जब उसने अपनी पतली टांगों का अक्स देखा तो वो बहुत गमगीन हुआ और नफरत महसूस की. While it was still thinking of its ugly legs, it heard the sound of the horse's hooves of a huntsman and the barking of hounds. तो उसने शिकारियों के घोड़ों की चापें सुनी और भौंकते हुए कुत्तों की आवाजें सुनी. It ran for its life as fast as its legs could carry it. In no time, it left the hounds far behind. उसने थोड़े ही वक्त में शिकारी कुत्तों को पीछे छोड़ दिया. Now it happened to pass through a thick forest, गहरा जंगल. As it rushed through, its horns got caught in the branches of a tree. जैसे ही वो गुजर रहा था तो उसके सींग दरख्तों की शाखों में अटक गए. It struggled hard to free itself, but all in vain. उसने अपने आप को आज़ाद कराने की बहुत कोशिश की, मगर बेसूद रहा. Meanwhile, the hunter and his hounds came chasing it. उसका ताक़ुब करते हुए इसके पीछे आ गए. The hounds fell upon it and killed it. शिकारी कुत्ते उसके ऊपर लपके और उसे मार दिया. The legs it hated had carried it away from the hounds, while the beautiful horns brought about its death. वो टांगे जिनसे वो नफरत करता था उसे मौत से दूर ले आई, लेकिन उसके खूबसूरत सींग उसकी मौत की वजह बने. So the moral is, all that glitters is not gold. And the moral lesson that we have learned through this story is that appearance is always deceptive. We should not judge a book by its cover. And we are also going to revise story number 6. A friend in need is a friend indeed. दोस्त वो है जो मुसीबत के वक्त आपके काम आए. Once upon a time, two very close friends lived in a village. As time passed, their friendship grew thicker and thicker. जैसे जैसे वक्त गुजरता गया उनकी दोस्ती गहरी से गहरी होती चली गई. Now they were grown up men. अब वो नौजवान हो चुके थे या जवान हो चुके थे, आदमी बन चुके थे. One day they decided to go and find work. एक दिन उन्होंने सोचा कि वो जाएंगे और काम तलाश करेंगे. They set off. वो रवाना हुए. Before leaving their village, they promised to stand by each other through thick and thin. Thick and thin means मुश्किल वक्त में. They took oath of sincerity and assured each other of help in the hour of need. उन्होंने वफादारी की कसम उठाई और एक दूसरे को मदद की यकीन दहानी कराई मुश्किल वक्त में. They had to pass through a jungle. They had not gone far into the thick forest when they found themselves face to face with a big bear. The beast began to move towards them. They felt helpless and terrified. उन्होंने अपने आप को बेयारो मददगार और खौफज़दा पाया. One of them knew how to climb a tree. He at once caught hold of a strong branch and swung up the tree. So here in the place swing we are using second form, that is swung, and third form is swung as well. उसने जल्दी से एक मजबूत शाख पकड़ी और दरख्त पर लटक गया. The other could not climb. He had heard that the bear does not eat the dead. उसने सुना हुआ था कि रीछ मुर्दा चीजें नहीं खाता. So he lay down on the ground and held his breath, pretending to be dead. Meanwhile, the bear came to him and sniffed him. इसी लम्हे रीछ उसके पास आया और उसको सूंघा. The beast left him. When the bear had gone out of sight, The friend on the tree came down. जब रीच नजरों से दूर हो गया तो उसका दोस्त नीचे आया. He asked his friend, उसने अपने दोस्त से पूछा, Dear friend, what did the bear whisper in your ear? The other replied quickly, The bear advised me not to trust a selfish friend. Saying this, he left him and went away. So the moral lesson is, beware of fair weather friends. Do not trust selfish friends.